So we're going to talk about money now.
All right.
They can if you do it right. So this question came in. Can I negotiate a lower interest rate on my loan with the bank? If so, do you have any tips?
I sure have tips. I always have tips.
Yes, you do.
The answer is yes, depending on the terms. So if it's fixed, you can't change it. But you may be able to, or at least change it when you renew. People are so weird about their banks.
Yeah.
So I don't know if you know people who would drive across town to save $1 on Tide. You would drive across town to save $1 on Tide, and when it comes to a loan, you're just like, I don't know, what rate can I have? And please give me the money. We don't do the due diligence that we would do in any other category.
I don't know.
So here's the first thing. You need to do some research.
Okay.
There are peer-to-peer lenders like Grow, Borrowell, these online lenders that can give sometimes better rates than the banks. So you want to get a quote, find out if you qualify for that. And the second thing you want to do is book an appointment with your bank, with your person. Go in with your research and ask, how do I get a better rate? And have them propose solutions to you, because you've said, like Borrowell is going to give me X percent. Can you match that?
Yeah.
Perhaps you secure the loan using some investments. Perhaps you get a home equity line of credit. There are different ways for you to get a better product. And sometimes there are rates that they've just kind of got hidden under the desk that if you really push, they could pull them out and go, ta-da. So it's definitely worth it. Way more important financially than saving $1 on a jug of Tide.
That's right. So is it really that easy, though? And the reason why I ask this is because we often get the advice, get the lowest credit card rate. And if you have an interest rate on your credit card and you want to get it lower, just call them. I've done that before, and they're like, no.
So, you know why?
So now what do I do? Go to their house with a baseball bat?
No,
like, why? It's hard.
They have call display.
Okay.
And they're like, it's Tracy Moore. I'm not giving it to her. Why would I give it to her? She's a really big deal. She's on City Line. I'm not giving it to her. That's why.
Well, is it like, do you have to beg a little bit?
A bank loan are a little bit different.
Okay.
But if you've got the proof from Borrowell or Grow that you're going to get it at this rate, then they're going to lose the business.
Okay.
So they're going to match the rate.
You
got to be prepared to walk.
Got it. All right. How many credit cards, since we're talking about them, is too much?
Too many, 3. No more than 3.
Much. Oh.
Yeah, no more than 3.
Get rid of the rest.
Yeah, don't get rid of them though. Don't get rid of them.
I mean, don't get rid of them. Don't cut them off.
No, here's why. Why do you need more than 3 credit cards?
I have one. I don't know.
You have 1 credit card. It's very, very simple. Store cards, and I used to have many because they offered me free stuff, which we've talked about before. The rates are higher. It's a card that you need to pay off in full. So is it really worth it to you to have a wallet full of store cards? If you pay them off in full, okay. But why you don't want to shut those credit cards down is a part of your credit score is related to the duration of time you have held the card. So if it's been, for instance, 1994, keep it, don't use it, but keep it.
Keep it, don't use it. And
don't use it, but keep it.
Okay, all right, this is really good advice. I love that.
You're welcome.
Not that I'm surprised. You always have good advice.
It's like, wow,
so good.
Bruce gave good advice today. That's weird.